Thanks for checking out the channel. Our team is preparing a number of sessions on Program Director certification. To be clear, though, whether you are a beginner or an expert, this course is solely for reference and to expand your knowledge. The bibopy.org does not endorse, support, or otherwise have any connection to us. Before further proceeding with this session, I would recommend not to skip any previous sessions to have the clarity on understanding of the topic. Now let's understand what is project status report. It is usually used to regularly update the project team, sponsors, stakeholders, and customers on the current status of the project. It may contain general information, cost, finished and unfinished tasks, issues, resolutions, risk, further plan, etc. Work schedule. It may present standard workdays, holidays, non-standard working times, tasks, and assigned resources. Work breakdown structure. Hierarchically decomposition of the entire project into small components, tasks, goals, phases, and deliverables. It is usually a tree structure that shows a subdivision of the effort needed to reach a goal. The WBS is a useful tool for visualizing the needed work and may facilitate budget, time, and resources planning. Gantt chart. It is a type of bar chart that illustrates a project schedule and show the dependency between activities. The Gantt chart present the tasks of the project of on vertical axis, and the time required to perform each task is visualized on a horizontal axis. Time set usually contains the amount of workers' time spent on each task. Communication plan may contain information about communication channels, participants in planned communication, common topics for discussion, and frequency of events conduction. It may be part of the general project plan. Change management plan. List activities or roles that will require additional focus during the implementation and control phase of a project. It may contain plans for a change of any kind, procedures for responding and integrating change. Thanks for staying to the end of the session. Please keep motivating us by subscribing our channel, hitting like, and do comment, share with your friends and relatives. See you in the next section. Bye.